Hey, fourth period. Um, it's Thursday night, and so I'm getting ready for tomorrow. So I just wanted to make sure I got everything set up for you guys. So the plan for you guys is just continue working on your experiment. Let's please, fingers crossed, get through experiment two. You have to do 2 to 3 different lengths. So I think the directions say 3, but if you just get through 2, let's just call it a day.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
It's my little guy. Okay, so what you're going to need to do, get those 3 different lengths, and it wants you to compare what is happening as far as pressure and pulse rate, I believe. So you're going to graph it, and then you're going to compare what's happening, just so you can get a little bit of feedback. So when you get into your designing your own, you know how length is going to affect your pulse rate and what sort of pressure that you're dealing with. You can get into experiment 3, that's fabulous. Um, I would recommend if you're leaving your computers out that you put a charger out with it and plug it in so that it can be charged and ready for you on the next day. Also, if you're having a problem, troubleshooting is the best way to go. So make sure, is it plugged in? Is it turned on? Those are the first things that you should look for. If you're having a problem where a code comes up and it keeps saying that you can't it doesn't process that MyDAC. Jerry Fricky and Chris, and I feel like I showed one other person, but I'm not sure. They should know how to do that. And if they can't remember, then you guys can Snapchat me and I can try to walk you through what to do because I can't remember exactly what the things are. So I think you open NI Max, which is on your desktop, and it should come up like automation and experimentation. So that'll pop up. And then from there, you're going to, off on the side, I think it says like interfaces and connections. When you click on that, like a MyDAC should come up connected, and it probably has the wrong name. So right click, rename it like just MyDAC, take away the one, hit save, try it again. If it still comes up as wrong, go back in, redo the same thing, change it to MyDAC 1. But if you have a question, you can feel free. I think most of you have my Snapchat, so you can feel free to get a hold of me that way. Or I think part of you have my phone number. So if you need to call me, I will keep my phone on. Hopefully, you guys have a good weekend. And remember in the comments below, I want you to go ahead and put your name of everybody in the group. And I want what you got, a sentence or two of what you got accomplished. And then I also want a picture. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.